How to program a new key fob on a 2001 through 2005 Buick LeSabre. I bought this at Amazon for about 20 bucks. You're gonna need a bidirectional scan tool. And at this point, the scan tool has recognized the vehicle. So let's go down to keyless entry, program key fobs. It's telling you right here that you have to hold lock and non-lock at the same time. Continue. You can program up to 4 key fobs at once. We only have the one. The only. The door lock cycled, and now press lock and unlock at the same time. And there it is. Programming successful. Continue. Programming complete. So at this point, I'm gonna remove the key from the ignition, and we're gonna test out our key fob. Unlock, there it is. Lock, there it is, and trunk open. There it is. It's working perfectly. Now, if you're having trouble, your module might be defective, you might need to swap out your module. And now that the trunk is open, let's go check out how to do that. Module is located in the trunk where the speakers are at. You're gonna remove this connector. You're just gonna press on the tab like that and pull. On the back of the module, the yellow module, there's these tabs that you just push down, and then you can release it. They're very easy to break. This one's already broken. The original already has its tabs broken. And this little part right here goes into that groove over there. So here's a replacement with one broken tab. Just gonna go right on in there. Just like that. Put your connector in there, and that should be it. Now, this is our 10th video for the Buick LeSabre, and if it has helped you out, give a subscribe to the channel, man. It would really help out. But other than that, keep your LeSabre up and running. Have a good day.